Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Change of plan this morning. I was due to be up in Pennon and Banff and Portsoy and Portnocky at the top of Scotland, well, Aberdeenshire anyway. But I've kind of postponed that until next May. I just thought with the current situation, the pandemic, there's flooding and also early nights now. It's dark for like 4:45, 5 o'clock now. So I thought I'll just wait till May. At least you'll get better weather and longer nights. So I'm here at Edzell. Couldn't get parked at the Blue Door, couldn't get parked at the side bit. So I'm actually up at the Stones of Solitude. I'm going to have to walk all the way back, I think, or try and cut in to see the autumn colours. So we'll give it a go. Rain's forecast for 1 o'clock, so I need to be quite quick today. And just go for it, see what happens. Right, so a slightly different path for us today, folks. Walking back from the Stones of Solitude. Not familiar with this path, but I'm sure it'll join up with a Doulie Tower, maybe. I love all these autumn colours. Beautiful. It's quite still today as well. It's not too windy, which is just fine. So no Jag today. Jag wasn't feeling too good today, so just going solo today. Hopefully meet up with him through the week for another Spiz adventure. I'm actually quite high up here, folks. So let's head down this way. Look at that, folks, beautiful. Love all these little waterfalls you come across. It's stunning. Autumn colours. So if you come this time of year, folks, wear sensible shoes. I've got boots on today, but as you can see the leaves are very wet and a bit muddy. So wellies would be quite good, but I've lost my wellies. So always take your time, folks, when you're here. Just walk slow, check out the slippy bits. Just be very, very careful. There's even water dripping up there. I'm the king of the world! I'm a bit dizzy there. I'm actually standing on this kind of rock face thing here, so be careful, folks, be careful. Wow. Just missed 2 low-flying jets, folks. Awesome. Couldn't quite see them because of the trees, but that was awesome. Awesome waterfall, folks. Look at that one. Stunning. Right, going to move it further to the bridge and then we'll turn back. So a lot of the walk is like this, folks. You've got to be careful. So just in short bits though, so it's not too bad. Mudfest Central. folks, no salmon today. That looked like BKR. BKR, if you're watching this, was that you down there? Couldn't quite tell. You only got your hat on, so I couldn't actually tell if that was you or not, but you were hanging over the kind of precipice thing into the waterfall. Being daring. So that could have been you, but I don't know. Yeah, so just walking back now towards the Stones off. I keep wanting to say Stones of Destiny, the Stones of Solitude. It's about a 40-minute walk, folks. Very enjoyable though. Right, folks, in the trees there is Doulie Tower. Let's go and investigate. Right, so here's, folks, Doulie Tower. Found it at last. Years since I've been here. I always go down at the water side, so I took a cut off up to the roadside, and here it is, folks. Doulie Tower. Awesome. I forgot how good it was actually. Right, so we bid farewell to Doulie Tower, folks. If you're in the Edzell area, come up and see it, it's awesome. Right, now to find the car.